Hey, it's Vanessa Short. So it has been 12 weeks since I got my Invisalign, and I wanted to show you my progress so far. I do not have them in right now, and I wanted you guys to see them without that space where I had my tooth pulled is almost filled in. So right now these three teeth are a little bit slanted. I'm sure they'll straighten out once they get there. Last night I switched my trays. I switch my trays every 7 days, so I do every Thursday night. And I noticed last night and this morning that tooth was sore, so it means to me that that's kind of the focus right now, and it's kind of pushing that. But I didn't think my tops were very crooked, but they definitely look straighter. I'm really happy with my progress so far. I did have a follow-up appointment earlier this week, and the orthodontist said I was doing great. And he's hoping 12 to 18 months. But I'm not going to get my hopes up. I'm still going to tell myself 24 months just in case. But so far, so good. And that's about it. I wear them 20 to 22 hours a day. And I water pick, I floss, I've been really taking care of them, and I keep my trays really clean too. I soak them in vinegar when I'm eating, and then I also did get the tablets, and so once or twice a week I use those tablets to really clean them up even more. But so far so good. I hope that if you're considering doing Invisalign that my videos are helping you and my experiences helping you. I thought I'd show you how I put mine in. Since my tops tend to be a bit straighter, they're easier to get in. And when I started, the orthodontist or the assistant said to start on one side and then go. But I've noticed that for me, it's easier if I start in the middle. It just is a lot easier. And then my bottom ones, I have to be careful because I've pinched my lip a couple of times. But because this tooth right here sticks out so far, it's kind of a pain to get over sometimes. So pushing it in this side. Sometimes it goes in easier than other times, but I pushed it in this side after I've lined it up over here to make sure I'm in the right spot. And because I've only had these in for not even a day, it was a little tougher to get in. But if I start here and I kind of push around, I feel like I get them in really well. So that's it. And now when I don't have them in, I feel kind of weird because I can feel the buttons on my teeth. And I like having the trays in because I feel more protected and it's not rubbing inside my mouth. So if you have any questions, if you're thinking about doing this and you just kind of want to ask some questions, I probably don't know all the answers, but I can tell you my experience and I'm happy to answer them. And yeah, I think my smile's going to be really pretty when we're all done.